is Argyriou Iasonas. I'm a hair transplant surgeon, a scalp micropigmentation specialist, and I'm a PhD candidate in the National University of Athens on PRP treatments. I've been performing FUE the past 6 years in various countries in Europe. I've been performing in Dublin, Ireland, Oslo, Norway, Larnaca, Cyprus, Belgium, Brussels, and currently today we are in BHR's clinic in Athens. A very nice clinic, luxurious clinic. We are scheduling this week's surgeries. We have very interesting cases this week. We have cases over 4,500 grafts. Everything runs smooth. Nursing staff very highly skilled here in order to handle all those grafts. Interesting cases, and we feel ready to produce high quality BHR level FUE surgery.